Thank you, Detective
Officer Bang.
Thank you for coming. Thank you
Yes.
for taking that long trip
Yes.
from Jamaica to Port Charlotte.
By Superintendent Riley sends his best regards. Now, I'm from the Department of Special Investigations, and as you know, as we talked on the phone quite a bit, we're looking for a gentleman by the name of Jubba. Now, this is the document that I'm bringing from my superintendent that I want you to review.
Okay.
Before you review the file,
Let me tell you about Jubba. Yeah. Listen, let me tell you this. Let me tell you about Jubba. Yeah. You want hear? Then you must. Yo, it's a youth when I care. Alright, so let me tell you about this youth when named Jubba. He coulda do better in a life if him coulda. But true bad company, him love fall back about him love for your lead and copper. Alright, let me tell you about this youth when named Jubba. He coulda do better in a life if him coulda. But true badness when him love fall back about him choose for your lead and copper. Alright. Jubba was a good youth, but through bad company, dry him out, make him rob and make him start loot. Stick you up for your clock food, and him would take for your last load. But anyway, Jubba got him good ways, but through bad company with them bad ways. Make jail, Jubba they always. Mother did I want him, but him always. So let me tell you about this youth when named Jubba. He coulda do better in a life if him coulda. But through bad company, him love fall back about him love for your lead and copper. You know hear about this youth when named Jubba. Him coulda do better in a life if him coulda. But through bad company, him love fall back about him choose for your lead and him choose for your copper. Alright. Jubba go a good school, but through bad company, Jubba turn fool. Same head at and him no see it a go cool. Every day him walk round with him favorite tool. You know see, how the devil a call him. Him and him friend them must see haunted. Come and boast about them are the most wanted. You are what is started. So let me tell you about this youth when named Jubba. Him coulda do better in the life if him coulda. But true badness where him love fall back about him love for your lead and copper. You know hear about this youth when named Jubba. Him coulda do better in the life if him coulda. But true badness and where him love fall back about him choose for your lead and him choose for your copper. Jubba nah listen, yeah. Jubba nah listen, yeah. Him soon end up missing, yeah. Both him love the thing was shine and glisten. Whoa. Jubba nah listen, not even matter when him talk, you him nah listen. Wait till him end up missing. Both him love the thing, we a shine and glisten. Woo! On the grass one, representing Restore Production, yeah. No interruption, bang, bang, boom. Let me hear that.